Dial for dollars. Gotta hit those sales numbers. Hey, Slick, get on the phone. The sales. Am I gonna hit the benchmark? My boss is gonna kill me. What am I doing? It doesn't this feel right. Probably gonna get fired. Nobody's taking my calls. God, I'm so stressed. I can't get any meetings. How many years have I done this for? Is this what I'm supposed to do in my life? I need to figure everything out. Is this what I was meant to be? What's gonna happen next year? What am I doing with my life? Wasted so much time. What should I do? How many more years can I do it for? Where will I be 5 years from now? My career is over. What should I do with my life? Is this what I was meant to do? I have no other choice.
I lost my stockbroker's license. I decided to sell my stuff online to see if I could survive, making a new career. Here goes month one. It's July 31st. So the journey begins. I gotta start making money. And let's check out the items we got. The plan is to post these items on eBay first, and then we'll check out Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace. So this is the first item I'm gonna list. It's called My First Alice. The next item we're gonna list is a Frog Togs pack jacket. It's a medium large. I basically have like about $500 worth of inventory. Hopefully things start to sell. I got 3 items listed. Now we just gotta list the rest of these items. I took pictures earlier. There's a montage, a little time lapse. Going through the worst part of this whole process, which is listing. We got a bunch of items. Now we gotta list them, which I'm about to go home and do.
Ladies and gentlemen, I got my first order. And it was an offer for $15. We're going to accept this, baby. We got our first order, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. We accepted it. Boom. Cha-ching.
Then it's day 2 of the reselling extravaganza. We've got about 40 items posted, listed on eBay. We are already shipping out 2 of them. We already got 2 sales. I'm on my way right now to the post office to send off my first 2 sales. All right, so my first blunder. Put the wrong label on the wrong package. I'm pulling back up to the post office right now. Hopefully they have my package right there. If not, I'm screwed. We'll see what happens. Wish me luck. So, I made a mistake. That package I gave you had the wrong label on it. Oh, thank God. You're the best, man. Alright, so that label goes on this one, and this one goes on that one. Alright, mission success. Thankfully, it was the same guy. He had the package right there and was able to switch the labels, and everything is now good to go, baby. We did it. We overcame our first challenge of this whole reselling extravaganza. Holla. What did we sell? We sold this bad boy, the Reed and Barton, for $175. Holla.
These TVs need a little bit more cleaning. And then we're gonna take some photos and post it on Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace. Animal carry crate. Should clean it up and put it on sale.
I think it's about time.
I'm gonna take a little break for right now, but that did trim off
quite a lot. Holy crap. This was all attached to me. This is all attached to me. Anybody want a lock of my hair? I actually like it. All right, we're almost done with week 1. And we got 4 things sold, a total of $300 in sales in the first week. Not too bad. We got a few things. I'm trying to sell these TVs. We got a VCR and DVD player I still need to post. Week 1's not doing too shabby. So let's keep it popping. We're almost midway through week 2. We got our first sale. It's a video game popping up on screen. And I did stack myself up with some new inventory from the thrift store. Okay, week 3, and we have just about $320 in sales. Sales have slowed down, but that's all because of me. I haven't been actively listing items. Like, for example, all these items I need a list. These items right here, these are all the things I listed. But we got a lot of work to do. Keeping the sales going. So if I'm gonna make this a viable means of income and career, then I gotta really ramp it up. Week 3, time to list some items. Let's go ahead and get things posted.
Yeah, baby, we just sold the Cutco knives. Yeah.
We are deep into week 3 and we've hit a wall. Yeah, it's been tough, but we out here still working. We're gonna be listing a bunch of golf polos with some fall throw over sweaters. So today's gonna be a busy day and we finna get to it. Another sale. We sold our blood pressure monitor. Had to wrap it up, you know. Freaking arts and craftsies. We gotta post this bad boy up. Look at them scissors, ladies. All right. We are ramping up sales. Got 3 more sales this week. At the end of this week, I'm gonna show you my total sales, my total costs, and see where we ended up, and see if this is actually doable for a source of income on a full-time basis. We got our items. Look at the backdrop in my ghetto ass room. Let's get it. We have finally finished the month. Guess what though? Mama Dukes came up big with the Milano Blancas. $850 brand new. We got them. Got it listed right now for $275. We got a few things we gotta list. Let's start September strong. We'll go over those numbers and then we'll get back to it, baby. Let's go. Ladies. All right. We finished the month strong. First sale right here, $15. Then we sold this D-Link router for $15. Good traction for this month to hit that $700 mark was selling this Reed & Barton Summerhill 18x10 stainless steel 79-piece set. This laying around the house, sold it. I had this Madden, sold it. Red Dead Redemption, sold it. This was just laying around the house. Copper Chef, sold it. This was laying around the house. Cutco vintage knife set, sold it, $60. Another good pick by Mama Dukes. This was laying around the house. Laying around the house. I did this pick. This was laying around the house. Something I brought home. And this is what I brought home. So we ended the month pretty strong. Very strong. And the total in sales ended up being $698. We had $698.58 of total sales. $39.96 went to eBay. $252.36 went to shipping costs, and my net return on sales was $406.26 for the month. Are you going to be able to live off of $406 a month? No. But if you keep working at it and posting more items every month and scaling your business, that $406 will grow
along with more sources of income, because that's just what this is. It's just a new source of income. Generating multiple streams of income is your path to wealth.